Okay, so all right. Today we will be discussing about the word problem. So this worded problems in algebra. Actually, I don't know what kind of topic is this. Nakita ko lang to. This is CE board November 2022. Nakita ko lumabas tong sa CE board November 2022. So the problem states that the bottled water and medical supply are to be shipped to the victims of earthquake in Morocco by a plane. So, yung earthquake dyan sa Morocco is nangyari yan ata noong November November 17 na sa around 5.3 magnitude. November 17, 2019. Actually, yung Morocco naman is palagi yung nag-earthquake doon. Ewan ko kung bakit. Each container of bottled water served 10 people, and each medical kit will aid 6 people. Each plane can carry no more than 80,000 pounds and a volume capacity of 6,000 cubic feet. The bottled water weighs 20 pounds per container, and each medical kit weighs 10 pounds. Each container of bottled water is 1 cubic feet, and each medical kit also has a volume of 1 cubic feet. Determine how many bottles of water and how many medical kit should be sent on each plane to maximize the number of the earthquake victims who can be helped. Yun. That is our statement or the problem statement. So dito is halos given naman lahat, the weight, the volume capacity, and okay, so yun lang dapat natin solve. So this is only an algebra problem. Okay, so solve natin kung paano to. Okay, sabihin natin that yung dalawang pinag-uusapan dito is yung medical kit. Yung medical kit, tapos yung bottled water. Tapos itong medical kit. Diba? Medical kit. Tapos bottled water. So sabihin natin that let X is equal to the containers of the bottled water. And yung Y naman, sabihin natin that the number of medical kits. So, ang sabi dito is yung bottled water is nag-carry siya ng 20 pounds. 20 pounds per container, and the medical kit naman is 20 pounds. 20 pounds yung medical kit. Tapos, yung total weight niya is 80 pounds dapat yung, ay 80,000 pounds yung dapat na magiging total na bigat niya. So, sabihin natin that 20x plus 10y, diba? 20 kasi yung, yung ating container. 20 pounds times the number of container of the bottled water, that is the total weight of the bottled water, and then plus the naman is 10 pounds times the number of medical kit. Yun yung naman magiging weight niya sa ating medical kit. Kaya lang, so dapat ipaloob din siya sa buong plane, so that would be 80,000. Less than, not more than, ha? This would be less than kasi yung capacity lang ng plane is 80,000. Bawal na siyang lumagpas. So, less than or equal to 80,000 yung ating magiging total na bigat. Okay? So, next naman is, ano yung susunod dito? Okay, yung each container, okay, yung volume, actually, okay naman to. Wala naman tayo magiging problema dyan. Kasi yung volume capacity is parehas lang. So, Okay, next natin is yung dito sa ating volume. So, this would be x plus y, yung mid-container ng bottled water plus the medical kits is less than naman, the total volume is equal to 6,000 or less than. Equal to 6,000 or less than 6,000 yung ating magiging volume. This would be for the volume. Tapos ito by W or by weight. Tapos ano pa ba? Okay, yung masiserve. Yung masiserve ng bottled water is kaya siya ng 10 people and the medical kits naman is 6 people yung kaya niyang mabigyan ng tulong. Okay, so that would be also the total people or the total population or the number of victims is equal to the 10x plus 10y kasi 10 yung ating masiserve sa ating isang container of bottled water. Tapos, 6 naman yung masiserve niya sa ating medical kits. So, this would be the total uh, uh, number of people na matutulungan sa ating uh, ano ba to? Relief. Parang relief operation. Okay, since meron na tayong equation, meron tayong actually tatlo yung equation natin pero dito pa lang pwede na natin masolve to, di ba? So, if you have a calculator, gawin nyo lang tong equal. So, yun yung ating magiging mangyayari. So, gawin natin tong equation 1 and then this would be our equation 2. Or pwede rin naman equation 1, ito, equation 2. It's up to you kung ano yung gusto nyong unahin. Okay, since ang aking inuna dito kasi ito kasi yung may pinaka simplest form. X plus y, ito yon, is x plus y is equal to 6,000. So, rearrange natin, kunin ko yung x is equal to 6,000 minus y. And then, applying the second equation or the other equation na 20x plus 10y is equal to 80,000. Okay, tapos substitute ko ngayon yung value ng x ng 6,000 minus y. Substitute ko dito sa value na ito. Okay, that would be 20 times 6,000 minus y plus 10y is equal to 80,000. So, tapos ito by, ano na to? Mangyayari dyan is by FOIL method. So, 20 times 6,000, that is 120,000. And then 20 times minus y, that would be negative 20y plus copy the 10y and is equal to 80,000. Since meron na tayong similar or ano ba tong tawag? Same variable or same terms yung tinatawag natin sa algebra. Pag same terms or similar terms, kukombine natin. Kasi meron tayong y dyan. Okay, tapos ilipat natin sa kabila yung 120. Okay, so mangyayari is we have kasi minus 10y is equal to 80,000 minus 120,000. And then, negative 10y is equal to so yung mangyayari dito kasi mas malaki yung 120,000, nagiging negative. Since negative din dito, cancel out yung negative. So, y is equal to 40,000 divided by 10. So, we will be having the value of 4,000. So, yung 4,000 na yan, that is yung tinutukoy dyan is the medical kits. So, yun yung ating pwedeng madala sa ating plane or sa ating airplane na medical kits. Yun yung possible nakakasya doon sa ating airplane. And then, how about for the, for the container of bottled water. So, may equation tayo dito. Kunin natin yan. Yung equation natin. Tapos, substitute natin yung value ng y. Yung value ng y is equal to 4,000. So, we have the value of 2,000. So, ito naman yung ating bottled water, container of bottled water na kakasya doon sa isang plane. Okay? So, ilan ba yung matutulungan natin dito? Ilang victims yung matutulungan natin dito? So, we have the equation naman, ito. So 10x plus 6y. So 10 times 2,000 plus 6 times 4,000. That would be 44,000 people. Okay? Yun yung ating masiserve dito sa ating isang plane. So, kung meron kang 5 plane times 44,000, so yun yung matutulungan mo doon sa ating Morocco earthquake victims. Okay? So, ganyan lang yung pagsusolve natin dito sa ating problem na ito.